This is the start of camera 1's video in our vacuum video. Let's get camera 2 started. Let's wake up my computer. Let's get camera 2 started. Start.
Okay, guys.
That's camera 2. 2 cameras. Alright. Now, as you can see here, this camera takes bags.
We have 2 vacuums.
And this one is a toy that we're going to be comparing it to.
And using it.
This also takes bags.
Yep, we're using 2 bags.
If I knew where to locate my camera.
Alright, before...
Also, Audrey, where do you attach the hose to?
This little door down here.
This little door you attach a hose to. Yeah, I'm sticking my finger down there.
Yeah, we're not going to show the attachments. We'll show it next video.
I feel something. I feel a small notch, so there's definitely a vent way.
Try it out.
Alright,
before we fire it up, this one...
I don't need this light on.
This one...
Audrey, do you want to plug it in over here?
We need more lights.
No, we don't.
There's an outlet right there.
Oh, yeah.
So after that, we'll do the car. There we are.
Alright, go plug it in over there.
Okay, this one is a little loud. Trust me.
Wait.
This one, I think...
What some people might describe bagged vacuums as is a cash grab, because you can't just keep the bag and you have to throw the bag away after use.
Cool.
Yeah, you have to throw it away after use, and then you need to buy more bags. So
yeah, like we have 2 Hoovers.
To an extent, they're cash grab.
Tell them we have 2 Hoovers.
And we have 2 Hoovers.
One is in the basement, and one is upstairs.
Wait, the other Hoover steam vac is in the basement?
Yep, this is not a steam vac. Okay, so let's give it a shot.
If you guys are on your bed, grab a pillow.
So the light does not work on this
And
one.
if it's not too loud for you, don't grab a pillow, okay?
Yeah, the light does not work on this one.
Alright, let's go. First, okay, guys, let's do a small mess test. Where is it? I had it somewhere. Where was it? It was on this bed. Oh, there it is. As I proceed to lose it.
Burn the belt up.
You won't. I'm not going to give it to you solid.
Yeah, spread it out.
Audrey, here. You're using the back camera, by the way.
Yep, we're gonna get it to go right into the bag. Yeah, like it has a adjustment system.
That's too good.
I don't know what amp this one is. Yeah, like this I got from my neighbor today next door.
Don't tell them the name, please.
Yeah, this is the adjustment system.
Right by this one.
We're gonna see how good this will suck it up.
Mess test 1.
Yeah, like this is a Hoover Elite vacuum.
Wait, oh, it's the Hoover Elite 2. That's what those 2 eyes are.
Yeah, like total system performance for.
Have next mark.
There's a little
2
scuff marks
eyes.
on here. Yeah, like the back is just like the Riccar. You see back here? And it also has this attachment here for cleaning.
in small spaces. What'd you do? Hurt yourself?
No, I was just getting the tool back on.
Oh.
Yeah, like, I don't know what this will do to it. All that will do to it. The belt, the motor.
Okay. Actually point it at the vacuum.
So, this is the Hoover dual purpose vacuum.
Dual purpose vacuum. I think that's what the 2 in Elite stands for.
Brush edge cleaning. 2-level height adjustment. Low, high. It even has the Hoover logo on it.
Almost done. Almost done making a mess.
Yeah, we gotta make sure the Riccar gets some. Declan, do we have to make sure the Riccar gets some?
They're gonna vacuum all this up with the Hoover.
Alright.
Let's go now. Vacuum. Do it. Alright.
So, that's a lot better than it did.
That's the Hoover dual purpose vacuum or the Hoover Elite 2.
Yep. That's all you'll see to Hoover today.
Alright.
Next up will be the Riccar. It's cleaning performance. It's a bag Riccar.
He says that is the last time you will see the Riccar today. You're welcome.
And next up will be the Riccar. So it's cleaning performance. It's a bag Riccar. Possibly good motor section.
No.
So next up is the Riccar.
I'm zooming. I'm not zooming. Alright. This thing is simply a toy, but he always likes to bring it out to end off all of our vacuum videos.
Yeah, like we use different cameras like phone.
No, we only use tablets.
And sometimes we used the phone.
Oh, I guess that's true. Oh,
Okay,
it is.
Let's go check the bag on the Hoover.
Yeah. Alright, just to make... Oh,
See how the bag's doing?
I see it puffed out a little bit. Oh,
Get in there.
is the paper in there?
The paper bag.
Was the paper we vacuumed up in there?
Yep, it's in there.
Okay. So is that wrapping it up?
Yep. We'll make this part 2.
Right. Okay, guys. We are wrapping it up. And we'd like to say goodbye.
And we're gonna make this part 2.
And goodbye.
And we're gonna make this part 2.
Goodbye.